Streamline communication with suppliers using Bild supplier portal. To add a supplier group, navigate to the supplier company level setting and click the Add New button. Enter a name for the group and the supplier email address. Then click the Invite button. They will receive an invitation email to access shared files from a web application specific to suppliers. Share a file with a supplier from the Supplier tab in the data card. Click Add Supplier and select them from the drop-down. Classify them as either a primary or alternate supplier. There is no functional difference between the two. Next, confirm the file type selections, then click Add. A confirmation window will appear. Hover over the supplier name to update their download permissions or classification. You can also unshare the file or specify certain metadata you want to show or hide. Navigate to the Suppliers page to see all of the files in the workspace that have been shared with a specific supplier. You can make most of the same changes to the sharing settings here. View any files the supplier has uploaded from the web application in the Supplier Files tab. There is also a workspace view where these files would be visible. All of the sharing actions can be done by right-clicking and choosing from the Share options. This is the method you should use to share folders. Sharing files directly with suppliers optimizes the supply chain by ensuring a single source of truth, eliminating version control errors, and speeding up product development.